DIY teeth whitening at home. Hello, and welcome to our DIY teeth whitening at home tutorial. Today, we'll guide you through a simple and effective method to achieve a brighter smile using common household ingredients. 1. Baking soda. 2. Turmeric. 3. Toothbrush. 4. Bowl. 5. Water. 6. Coconut oil, optional for oil pulling. Step 1. Mixing the paste. Start by mixing a small amount of baking soda with water in a bowl. Aim for a paste-like consistency. Baking soda acts as a mild abrasive to help remove surface stains, while turmeric has antibacterial properties. Dip your toothbrush into the paste and gently brush your teeth in circular motions for about 2 minutes. Be cautious not to scrub too hard to avoid damaging your enamel. After brushing, thoroughly rinse your mouth with water to remove the paste. Spit out the mixture and repeat if necessary. Make sure not to swallow any of the mixture. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week until you achieve the desired level of whiteness. Avoid overdoing it, as excessive use may